Welcome to Ward Hall, a first-year residence hall located in the heart of campus near Lake Virginia and a library. Let's go inside. Let's go check out my friend Alexis and Ella's room.
Hey!
Hey! Oh my gosh, it looks so cool in here.
Thank you!
Can you give me a little tour?
Oh, for sure!
And let's talk about what this room looked like before y'all moved in. What was in here when you got here?
The desks, the chairs, and then 2 beds. So we basically chose one color palette that we were both going to go off of and got different decorations that matched our personalities that went with the same colors.
I have a Harry Styles poster. We got Taylor Swift in here.
All the pop music icons. I love it.
Here's our closets.
So,
they're pretty spacious, actually.
Yeah.
Did y'all do anything in the closets to help maximize your space?
I have this shoe rack, which is really nice. I have that basket down there for like swimsuits.
And then I have up here just kind of like the space above the closet that I use for like laundry and all my shower stuff. And then I have a shoe rack at the bottom of my closet so I can have all of my hanger space there.
Awesome. So let's come take a look at y'all's living space. I love all the storage you've got going on under here.
Yeah, so the college gives you the dresser, but then I got some extra storage drawers under there, and then I also have the storage shelf next to my bed as well. Also, having a mattress topper on your bed is super important. It makes your bed so much more comfortable.
And let's just move over to the desk area because I'm fascinated by all the knick-knacks. What we've got going on over here.
We actually put our desks next to each other, so we have our little matching desk touches where we can store all of our stuff, and then we can also get ready next to each other and study together, so we really like having this space together.
So I know one of my favorite parts about Ward this year as a freshman has been the common room. Sitting out there doing homework. Alexis, I know that's partially how you and I became friends. What have been y'all's favorite part about living here?
So I love the common room also. I love studying out there, watching movies with my friends. The TV's really big and nice. And I love the roof deck. People tan out there, watch the sunset. It's just really a nice place to get fresh air and just kind of see the Orlando skyline. That's definitely my favorite part of Ward.
You can always find your hallmates in the common spaces in Ward. Downstairs is a great space for study groups, and upstairs always has a ping pong game going on or a Netflix night with popcorn. The hall bathrooms are nice and big and always clean. They're super close to my room, since there's a bathroom in each side of the building. Thank you for coming along on this tour of Ward Hall. Hope to see you on campus soon.